Hello, parents and students of fashion design. Today we'll be following the agenda that you see on the screen. We're going to talk a little bit about career sources that you can use to explore different careers within the field of fashion. I'm going to talk to you about the LOC skills, also the A through G approval for fashion design, and college resources so that you can start your college search within the field of fashion. Here are a list of 5 different college exploration resources you can use. We have the California Colleges Career Zone. You can use californiacolleges.edu, Career Profiles, Federal Student Aid Career Search, and also Career One Stop. Each website is specific to career exploration, and you can use each website to explore different careers within the field of fashion. It could be to explore how to be a pattern maker, how to be a fashion designer, how much do merchandise managers make per year, what is it to be a design director or a fashion director. So you can click on each website for career exploration to find out more about the careers in fashion. For all students who are in our fashion design class, each student who receives a letter grade of C- or better at the end of the school year will receive a letter of competency. This is a certificate of competency which is signed by our instructor in fashion design, and each student who earns a C- or better will receive one at the end of the school year. This letter of competency can be used for the college application process. It can also be used to help obtain a job within fashion, and it basically spells out all of the skills that the students have learned within our class throughout the school year. It can even be used on resumes. I'm happy to say that fashion design is a UC A through G approved course, which means that it fulfills the A through G requirement in the category F for visual and performing arts. So all students who are taking fashion design and who earn a C or better within the class can use this to fulfill A through G requirements for the CSUs and for the UCs. It counts for the category F in visual and performing arts with the discipline in visual arts. You can click on the website there for more information on articulation and our other A through G approved courses within the UC. There are a variety of different pathways one can take after high school. A student can take a pathway through the California Community Colleges, which is a 2-year college system within our state of California. They can also take the CSU pathway or the UC pathway, and both CSU and UC pathways are 4-year university pathways, and they're public universities within our state of California. Another pathway that students can take to study fashion design is a private school or a private university. And most commonly, the private universities within our state and even outside of our state of California use the common application for college acceptance. So the common application is used for private schools and or out-of-state schools as well. So first we have the California Community Colleges pathway. The California Community Colleges are 2-year colleges where you can typically get a certificate or an associate's degree within these colleges. You can also transfer over to a 4-year university such as the California State University system or the UC system or even a private university once you've completed the transfer process. There are about 115 community colleges within the state of California, and to find your pathway or to find a college that has fashion design, what I need for you to do is to select this link here or go onto the California Community Colleges and include Find a College on your search, and it'll take you to this website that you see here. Once you are on this website, on the Community Colleges website, you will be able to select fashion design as your program of study. You first want to enter the name of your city. You want to select the mileage of your search within your city. And then you also want to enter fashion design and select that program. Once you're done with these two steps, you want to click on the search button. After you clicked on the search button, it'll take you directly to your search results. And this is what I found for fashion design. It looks like there are 12 programs similar to fashion design here in the Bay Area, and there are 4 colleges that have these programs. If you want more information on these 4 colleges, then you will have to click on the green plus sign or click on the blue thumbtack to find out which schools have fashion design and what their program is all about. The California State University system is a public 4-year university system within California. There are 23 CSU campuses throughout the state of California. To explore degrees or programs within the California public school system, you'd want to select the website there, the link that you see there, or you can log on to California State University and you want to select Explore CSU programs as you see there on the screen. Now, once you have selected Explore CSU degrees, it'll take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to be able to do a degree search. You want to enter fashion design as your field of study. You want to keep all campuses because you want a wide search of all of the CSUs that have fashion design within their program. And then you want to click on search. Once you click on search for fashion design, I came up with one search result, and that is CSU Long Beach. So CSU Long Beach has fashion design in their university. You can also research fashion merchandising or fashion merchandising and management for a wider search within the CSUs. The University of California or UC system is also a state public university system. There are 9 UC campuses within our state. For a search in fashion within the UC system, you want to log on to this website. So select the website. It'll take you to a page that you see there on the screen, and then it's going to give you options to select from. You want to enter fashion design as your major of study. Your applicant level will be freshman if you are going to be going to a university right after graduating from high school, or it can be transfer if you're going to be transferring from a community college. Third, you want to keep all categories because you do want a wide search. The term will be fall, and then you want to select all campuses so that your search can include all campuses. Once you've done all of this, you want to click on the search button. So now we have our search results for fashion design within the UC system. It looks like there are 9 majors within the system, or 9 programs, and there are 7 campuses that have fashion design in their school. You want to go back to each of these 7 campuses so that you can find out more information about each school and about their fashion design program. For a wider selection of schools, they could be private schools or out-of-state schools, you want to log on to the californiacolleges.edu website. They have a college search tool that you can use for fashion design. What you want to do once you are on the website, you want to select the college tab, which is on top of the page. And then within that college tab, you want to select college search tool. Once you've selected college search tool, it's going to take you to another page where you're going to be able to enter information for your search. So you want to enter fashion design, and then you want to select national search if you want a national search within the US, or you can also select California only search. For this circumstance, I selected national search so that we can get a wider search within the US. So now by having entered fashion design with the national search, my search results are 180 schools throughout the US that have fashion design within their school. So now what I want to do is I want to select the schools of my choice. I want to click on them, and then it'll take me to the school website where I can find out more information about the fashion design program and about the school itself. This search result gave me 180 schools throughout the US, and it includes public schools and private schools as well. Lastly, there are very many private schools within our state of California and even outside of our state of California that have fashion design as part of their major of study. This website, which is the Common Application website, is typically the website that you will need to use for these private schools. Most private schools use the Common Application, and this is the website for the Common Application. You can also use this website to explore over 900 colleges within the U.S. And again, most private schools and or out-of-state schools use the Common Application. If you want more information on fashion design and or careers within fashion design, you can contact Mr. Johnny Vera, who is our fashion design instructor at SVCTE. Thank you.